Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlink your Activision account to Facebook for COD mobile, right? So once you're here, if you are not able to unlink, just follow the steps properly from here. So now you have to just go to your Facebook account here. So once open your Facebook account, on the top right, make sure you are into your main account. So I'll just switch to my main Facebook account from which my COD is linked, right? Now on the top right you will see a profile icon, just go there and now click on the settings bar here, scroll a little bit down and here somewhere you will find apps, right? So let me show you. Here you can see your activity, apps and website. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, again just wait for a few seconds, and here you can see that two of my account is linked with some of the application. So here it will show you if you have linked your account with COD or not. So if you have did, of course it will show you, and to remove it you can just tap on any of the account here, so let's say, and just click on remove. So in this way you will able to remove your COD mobile Activision account and you will able to unlink both of it. I hope you found this video very helpful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.